How to paint cast aluminum furniture. Cast aluminum furniture has steadily replaced cast iron furniture for several reasons. Cast aluminum resists rust much better than cast iron, even if the cast aluminum is exposed to air. Cast aluminum furniture is lighter than cast iron and can easily be painted any color to match your indoor or outdoor decor. Painting your cast aluminum furniture will give your furniture a customized look and allow you to change the color to match any palette as often as you desire. Things you will need: cast aluminum furniture, white t-shirt rags, metal primer, natural disposable paintbrush, oil-based paint, natural paintbrush. Clean the cast aluminum furniture with warm watering dish soap or an environmentally friendly commercial cleaning solution if the furniture is not brand new. Allow the furniture to dry thoroughly. Wipe down the cast aluminum furniture with a clean rag just before priming to remove any light dust or debris. Paint a metal primer on the furniture using a natural bristle brush. Let the primer dry according to the manufacturer's specifications. Apply a second coat if the manufacturer recommends it. Wipe the primed cast aluminum furniture with a clean rag immediately before painting to remove any new dust that accumulated while the primer was drying. Paint an oil-based or alkyd paint on the aluminum furniture using either a natural bristle paintbrush or a natural nap roller. A combination of a brush for tight spots and a mini roller for larger, wider areas on the furniture works well. Tips: warnings. You can skip using primer if you are painting cast aluminum furniture that is in good condition. Cheaper latex paint will scratch off of metal furniture more easily than an oil-based paint applied on the primer.